Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna talk about the tuple in the Python. Let me just define you the tuple first. Tuple is a collection of objects which are ordered and immutable. Alright, so you can't change the values in the tuple. Okay, so first of all we have to declare the tuple. I will write the name of the tuple 1. Okay, so for putting the values in tuple you have to write the parentheses, not the square brackets like list. Okay, so I would like to add
simple values 10, 20 and 30.
Alright, 3 values are enough. And in top 2,
Okay, top 2. I would like to add subjects, physics, maths, and the last would be chemistry.
alright, I am in the two tuples. I have declared the two tuples here. Now we have to access the values in the tuple. Alright, okay, accessing the values in tuple is the same as accessing the values in the list. So if you want to access a single value from the tuple, you have to write print name of the tuple and index value of the value which you want to print out. Or so I want to print out the 20. The index value of the 20 is 1, and in the second tuple list, which is top 2, I want to print out physics. So index value of the physics would be 0. Okay,
So let me clear this out first. Okay,
this is how you can access the single value for tuple, same as the list. But if you want to access the range of the values in tuple, it is same as it was in the list. So let me just explain it to you again. Okay, let me just increase some values here.
40 and 50. And I would like to add chemistry, so no computer here. Alright,
Now if I want to display the value from 20 to the 50, so the first would be the index value of the first value of the range. So the first value of the range is 20, so index value of the 20 is 1. So I will write the 1 here and write the colon here. And for the last value, which is the 50, so we would write the index value of the 50, which is 4 here, but we will also add the 1 in it. Alright, so for suppose if we add the 4 and let me just talk about this. I want to go from physics to the chemistry. So the index value of the physics is 0 and index value of the chemistry is 2. So just print this out. You can see that the last value of our range is not included or is not displayed. But if you want to add or if you want to display the last value of the range as well, so you would have to add 1 in it to display the last value of the range. So it would display the last value. Okay, you can get this. 50 are included here and the chemistry is included here. So we can also put this as a 5 and as a 3. Alright, so this is how you can display the range of the values. Now updating in the tuple is not possible, but you can use the existing tuple elements to make the another tuple element. For example, if I want to make top 3, but I won't be adding any new value here, I just like to add top 1
and
top 2 in it. Okay, so print out the top 3. Alright, so let's see how does it look. So now you can see that the top 1 value of the top 1 and the value of the top 2 are added together in the top 3. So we made the new tuple here. Okay, and in this tuple we added the top 1 and the top 2. Alright, so we can't update in the tuple because it is immutable as it is defined before. And the last point is removing the individual tuple element is not possible. Like if I want to delete the physics or math or chemistry from this tuple, it's not possible. You can delete the whole tuple, but you can't delete the individual tuple element. So if I want to delete the tuple 2. Okay, now I want to print out the tuple 2. It would be giving me the error because tub2 is deleted. Alright, okay, now you can see that the name error, name tub2 is not defined because I have deleted the tub2 here. So you cannot delete the individual values in the tuple, but you can delete the whole tuple. Alright, and this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.